Mi-10 is set to be launched next week on February 13. Xiaomi has confirmed through a web post alongside the Mi-10 Pro can also be expected to launch. Separately, the company has sent invite for the Mi-10 global launch in Barcelona, Spain just ahead of MWC 2020. With the web post, the company has also begun posting teasers for the Mi-10 and Mi-10 Pro, revealing specifications like LPDDR5 RAM, 5G and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, as well as the presence of UFS 3.0 storage. In the Mi-10 launch date announcement, web post, Xiaomi clearly mentioned that the launch will be an online only broadcast. This is all probably due to the coronavirus outbreak in China, as expected earlier this month. In subsequent post, Xiaomi revealed the Mi-10 will support 5G and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and UFS 3.0 storage. In a blog post, it's mentioned that the Mi-10 Pro will also feature LPDDR5 RAM, something it had previously confirmed.